Good morning. Good morning, good morning. So first watch I'm watching here is IWM below pre-market low. Looking pretty weak. SPY, I'd love a close underneath pre-market low, but we'll see. We got 20 seconds left. Q's kind of just ranging. Q just in range a little bit right now. Let's see if SPY could do it. We got 12 seconds left. No, it's not going to do it there. IWM is going to do it. Here's that retest on IWM. So we close back into pre-market low, so that's going to be a no-go for now. Let's see what happens here. I do like SPY underneath pre-market low, just not yet. But I do like it. But the EMAs are still flat, kinda, so we got time. We got time for now. Qs is starting to go a little bit. SPY is going to start to go with Qs. I'm going to avoid IWM for now. So we're gonna have to be patient today. I don't want to rush this. I don't want to rush it and get faked out. So far, Q and SPY is trying to do something, but I'm gonna let the 15 dictate here because I don't want to be faked out. I had a sick day yesterday, and I want to keep the momentum going. Don't want to rush it. All right, so typically how I look at my charts is I watch the 15 and the 2. 15 is going to give me the confirmation, 2 is going to dial in my entry. And right now, 215 is telling me nothing to the short side yet. Although we got a really nice close here underneath previous day high. Really nice close. But still, like, we're bouncing off the 200. We're above pre-market low. IWM looked really good. Massive wick to the top. Nice body close underneath pre-market low. So that looked the weakest. But then we got a close over pre-market low, and then we just started building over. So nothing there yet. So if we get another big rejection here on IWM, I think that'll set up a nice short, because that'll be 215 rejections in a row. See if we get a Q close here. Q is looking like it's trying to close below pre-market low. I think that'd be that would send it. We got a massive gap to the bottom here. Previous day low. So I need to see a 15-minute candle closure here. We got a minute left on this 15, and if we can close underneath, I want to see a break and retest of this 200 EMA because we're bouncing right off that 200 multiple times now this morning. So if I can get a close, I think that'll send it. Watch for that close. Don't want to rush that. Because the last thing I want to do is short that pre-market low and get swept like it's doing right now. But you can see how important this 200 EMA is. 200, look at that. Look at the bounce off the 200. So clearly a significant spot, and I think once we break and retest that, I think that should be a really nice short move. And you can see the EMAs are crossing here, so signifying a potential reversal, but final boss is going to be that 200. That's why we don't front run anything. That's why we don't front run anything. We wait for closes and displacement, right? Because look at this. Imagine shorting this on a break and just like hoping it just continues down. So what did the 15 tell me? 15 told me that we got a nasty doji on the 15. So good close on this one for the downside, but it never cleared the pre-market low. And then now we just got a big 15-minute doji. So it's just telling me we just gotta wait a little bit longer. Because what could happen now is we can break and close over the pre-market high. And that'll trigger a long position. But for now, I'm just gonna wait. It's just choppy out here. SPY never cleared either. SPY is chopping right in the middle of pre-market range. So as soon as it breaks, we got lots of room. Lots of room. But gonna have to wait for that.
Yo, this shit OP.
What's my pal SpaceX doing? I think it's short into 135. We can get 135. I would swing short that. That's the IPO open price. We still haven't retested that price. So I think a retest into that price would be pretty big. That's the IPO open. So set an alert for that, and just gonna wait. Just gonna wait until things clear up here, because right now it is not clear at all. Had a big Asia move yesterday. Asia moved really well yesterday, so I don't know. It's a little choppy right now. So here's that retest of that 200. Look at this 200. The more bounces off that 200, the better, to be honest with you. Like, if this surges off the 200 again, even better. Even better, because once it breaks and retests, that's going to be just like a perfect short setup. So I want it to bounce off again. That'll be 3 big taps. 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll be 4 big taps. So let's see. Let's see if we can get it close. Another big bounce. Look at that. So that 200 is super significant. Clearly a lot of buyers here. That 200s is a lot of buyers. Look at that wick again. So I like that. I like that, because once it does break, it's going to be significant. So this is good. This is really good. Let's see how it works. What are you guys trading? Who's on here right now? Big gap fill, massive gap fill. I like it. That is a nice $6 gap fill. So if we can get it, I am super down with a short, because I like this sweep. Big trap, big trap, big trap, big fail. Another trap, big fail. I think it's setting up for a nice short. So look what's happening at this 200. Another bounce at that 200. Crazy. I like it. I like it. It sucks because, like, for me it doesn't suck, but like if you're impatient, it's not good. Horrible. But if you see that it's setting up for something big, I like it. Look at that too. Wow. Nice rejection. Nice rejection. I think it's setting up. It's just going to make us wait for a little bit here. But I want to see displacement. I don't want to front run this right now. I want to see a nice extension away from the 200 and a retest. Alright, I'm watching this Q here. Watching this Q. Watching for a potential entry start right here. Okay, I'm gonna start right here. I'm gonna start and then I'll build into it if we get that retest in the pre-market low. See what it wants to do. I'm going to use this pre-market low as my stop. So if we close above, I'll just stop out. So a retest into this, I add. Watching this 200 here for an add. Watching for an ad. I'm waiting for a rejection here at this 200 for an ad. Kind of looking for something like this. So I want to see rejections or I'm not adding. We got 1 minute left on this 15, so I'm just going to wait for a second. See what happens. Here's that retest. Let's see if we get a close underneath. We got 40 seconds left, or I'm going to stop out pretty quick. Watching it here. Okay, we never got the close underneath. So watching this candle, either I get out or I add pretty quick, but it's looking like it didn't close. So let's see. Let's see what happens here. Watching this 200. I want to see us back underneath that 200. We're gonna add a little bit more. So I add a little bit more. See if we can get a flush. I want to see a flush right through this low, and then I'll look to take one off. I love that rejection. See if it's real. See if I can get a move down here. Past eval, attaboy. Took the short. Nice, bro. Good job. Good job. Little choppy here. That was a nice reject, but we'll see if this thing holds or not. Don't love the bounce there. Okay, I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm out. That did not work, so I'm out. What short did you take, Egop? Which one? Was it this candle? Or which one? Fuck, that looks so good too. That was such a nice rejection, but whatever. Gotta wait. So the problem here is that 15. Look at that 15. So gotta wait some more, I guess. You're long right now? Yeah, I mean that reclaim of pre-market low is pretty strong, so it makes sense. Huge wicks on the 15, so big fake out to the downside, man. Like that was really nice. Just didn't work, but that flush was sick. Really nice flush. But we'll see. I wanted over pre-market high, I think. SPY literally dead smack in the middle, so I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for the next stop. So Q right back down. Look at that. Chop City. Chop City. SPY's got to make a move too, yeah. SPY's like literally dead smack in this range. So kind of uneventful, man. Kind of uneventful. Q looked great. Didn't work. SPY ranging. Looking ugly. So if SPY doesn't sort itself out in the next hour-ish, I'm probably gonna not take any more trades because this is gross. I don't want to take one more and then get faked out again. So it's got to be obvious. So 15-minute on Qs is like super unclear. This was clear. Unclear, unclear, unclear. Like, yeah, big bottom wicks, but also big top wicks at previous day high. Got 4 minutes left on this 15. Let's see if it wants to close. Big up, you still on the long? This flag looks like it's breaking. You're out? Yeah. Nice. You made it to the top? That's great, dude. So it definitely looks like it's trying to break out. Let's see if the 15 can close above previous day high. Okay, so SPY is trying to break pre-market high, so this is going to be like top watch for me. Q and SPY, like I need both of them to close, and then I'm gonna take one of these. So SPY about to do it maybe. One and a half minutes left. I'm gonna take a quick break. Be right back. "25 seconds. You're gonna do it. You can do it. Let's go." Two, one, boom, did it. Nice. All right, let's see a retest. So now we got Q's aligned as well. So Q's is also closed above pre-market high, so that's really good. So now I'm watching a retest of this pre-market high on SPY. So EMAs are starting to spread out, so that's good. So big spot. Look at this spot. I'm looking at a retest, potentially around here. Alright, so I'm watching this retest on SPY. Watching this pre-market high on SPY. Took a quick long for 15 and I'm done, I think, for the day. Atta guy. Good job, man. Good work. I only took one trade so far, and that's Q's, and I took one loss to start the day. I wanted a bigger move, and I didn't get a bigger move, so I just hate scalping, man. I hate like being in and out all quick. I don't like that. That's not good. That's not a good habit. So I don't wanna do that. I'd rather take L's going for the bigger move. All right, watching this pre-market high here. You're short right now? Big close into pre-market high, so I'm gonna wait a bit. We got Qs going into it, so giving this a second. So here's ES bouncing off. Okay, I'm looking to get a long pretty quick. Okay, I'm gonna start here on Qs. I'm looking to add to this. Pre-market high area. So starter and then add if we can get it. Quick stop below if it doesn't work. I want to see a bigger move, man. I don't want a quick scalp, and I'm looking to potentially add into this. Long, nice, bro. We'll see. We'll see. I'm only in one contract right now, and I'm looking to add if it sticks. We'll see. I want to see some wicking off this pre-market high here. Looks okay for now, for sure. 15 looks decent. 2-minute basing over pre-market high. Only shitty thing is SPY is not holding. That's the only shitty part. So we'll see. Only a starter for now. I'd like to add though. Get at least 2 contracts in here. Pre-market high has to hold, or I'm gonna bail it and then just reevaluate. So it looks okay. Just sucks about SPY kind of failing, but if we can reclaim on SPY, it'll look a lot better. So let's see. Here's that retest. Basically want to see this area hold. right here has to hold. Previous day high has to hold. That 13 EMA has to hold. Holding for a second. See if we can wick off the previous day high here. Looking to add a little bit more. If we can see some good price action, I'm going to add a little bit more. If it fails, I'll cut it. Okay, looking like it wants to try to hold. Waiting for a second to add. Just don't want to be faked out. Giving it a second to add. So good hold there. Let's see if another candle can hold. I'll look to add, or I'll break it. Let's see. This would be a sick hold right here. Let's see this wick off here turn green, and I'm gonna add. Okay, I'm gonna add right there. Average is now somewhere around here. If it breaks, I'm going to cut it. But I mean, it's pretty good. I mean, previous day high. It's my favorite long setup, so if it doesn't work, then it is what it is. Yeah, it looks heavy, but I don't know, we'll see. It's gotta hold. Three seconds, 2, 1. Looks like it's gonna close below, so a break below, I'm gonna get out. Yeah, I'm out. Ugly. Ugly. That looks so good too. Fuck. Too bad. Big up, you still in? Don't tell me this thing faked me out, man. Don't tell me this thing faked me out. Bruh. That's fucking retarded. That is retarded right there. No way, man. Ain't no way that just faked me out. Man, yeah, big bounce right there. So I think that just faked me out. Fuck, man. What luck is that? What kind of fucking luck is that? Well, that might be my cue, man. 0 for 2. 2 fake outs in a row. Garbage, man. Garbage. Look at that. Man. That is triggering, not gonna lie. That is extremely triggering. So what made you hold that? Like, we closed back underneath. Like, what makes you hold that if we're like going way underneath that previous day high? Are you just small size, or like, what is that? Because I added, so I don't know. How much of a loss can I take there, hoping that it reclaims? SPY failing. SPY doing this shit below pre-market high. Hit resistance at the bottom. You mean support? Yeah, no, but we went like right back in the range though. We went like right in the middle of the range almost. Under the previous day high, it did. Yeah, it did. This is the previous day high, right here. We closed underneath. Deep close, and then we went underneath quite a bit. So, I don't know. I don't know how that's a bad stop out. Yeah, I know. Clearly, I gotta give it more room too, but every time I give it more room, I get my ass chewed, so I don't know about the more room stuff for me. More room always bites me, man. You're short right now? Man, that fake out, that really triggers me. That's my cue, man. If I'm feeling like this, after 2 fake outs in a row, I gotta pack it up. because I'm just gonna do something stupid if I don't. That was such a nice long too. Fuck me. That would have been a great little win. I just don't know what I would like. I don't think I did anything wrong there. I don't think I did anything wrong there. Close back below previous day high. Another surge back below that close. I mean, how much do I hold there? Yeah, I think it's a good stop. I'm just trying to like think it through here. If that was a bad stop or not, but I don't think it is. I just think I got faked out. Faked out both sides. Wanted more to the downside. Wanted more to the upside. Man, Asia was so good. I don't know if you were on in Asia yesterday, but that was really good. Last night was clean. Seems to be cleaner than New York lately, man. Like, Asia seems to be so much cleaner lately. Like, I feel like New York has a lot of these days now. And Asia does not. Like, last night was fucking sick. A lot of nights last week were really good. Well, I don't know, man. This is fucking kind of gross here now. Asia been clean for sure, yeah. Yeah, maybe, like, I'm thinking here, like, maybe this 707 here. What was the issue? $707 looks like the issue, man. Like, looking at it now. Like, yeah, we closed finally above pre-market high. Albeit barely. So I made a really stupid mistake today, man. Today I made a really stupid mistake. Look at where my pre-market high is. Fuck me. Yo, that's retarded, dude. So Q trying to build off this pre-market high, but I feel like this now is just going to be the area to clear. This seems like the area. This right here. What happened is I marked my pre-market high wrong. So I long Qs off pre-market high, which I thought was right here. Somehow did not notice my pre-market high is right here, and I longed like right here, thinking this was pre-market high, retesting a pre-market high when we were actually below it. What the fuck, dude? So now this is the real pre-market high, and it looks like we're building right off of it. So it looks like it's gonna go now, but fuck, man, I marked it wrong the whole time. Good times. Been a weird day indeed, bro. Been a weird day indeed. Oh, fuck. We'll see if I get this break of 707. Maybe try one more. But look at the build off pre-market high. The real pre-market high. Oh well, what do you do, right? Yo, bro, when are you gonna see parents? You got 2 accounts funded and 200 each? That's sick, dude. That's dope. I gotta get another one funded pretty quick here because I'm running low. I only got 1 left. One funded left. Yeah, none. Yeah, I know. I gotta get these evals and just like really pick my shots better. Yeah, last week was horrible. So, how many cons you doing a trade on the 25k evals? Oof! Look at this fail. One or 2 micros, nice, good job, dude. Slow and steady. I'm watching SPY here. If I can get an entry, potentially here. Just watching this for a second. I want to see a little bit of a retest here, little flag action, and then I'm gonna look for a short on SPY. I see a little bit of a flag here. Did you already take it? Yeah, I missed this trend line break. I missed the trend line break. I'm kind of looking for a little flag right now, and then I'll look to get in potentially if it gets set up for me. But nothing yet. I would have taken it on this break, but I just missed it, to be honest. Q's above previous day high is not the greatest either. Like, look at that bounce right off previous day high. What a bounce. And the reason that bounced is because of this Q's. Look at this Q's. So I think Q's really messed that up, so I'm gonna look at that, eh? Right off PDH. Right off PDH. Wow. Okay, so now I'm looking at, yeah, PDH would have been amazing, eh? PDH would have been freaking amazing. I'm thinking a retest at this level right here, 70750. So that's gonna be my next setup right here. This looks like it's like finally confirmed, at least to the upside, but like fuck this PDH again. Ah, that's really annoying. I got trapped here. Or I got faked out right here. It's really annoying. PDH was the one. So let's see what happens. EMAs are like looking really good. You're in short. Fuck, you're still playing that game, eh, bro? I guess you do like the pain, man. Sounds like you're not over the pain, bro. I like this long right here setting up. Right here. This one I'm going to give a little bit more room. Probably something like this. Needs to retest the orb. Well, yeah, this is the orb right here, so... Right? Yeah. Nice move, man. Alright, so I think this is confirmed. So I'm looking for a retest into the 70750. Look at that move. Bro, why are you shorting this shit, bro? Why are you shorting this, man? Fuck. Every time I do that shit, it just fucking bites me, man. Every time. I hate that pony shit so much. Ruined a year of my life doing that shit. Alright, so let's see the 15. What's the 15 doing? 15 is about to confirm in 1 minute, so that's looking glorious. Glorious move. Right off the PDH again. Oh, beautiful. I'm waiting to enter right here. 70750. Right here. Just waiting to see what this 15 does. Hopefully it just closes over top. Nice body, and then I'll look to get in a retest. 45 seconds. Yeah, I know that's your TP, but what if this shit just keeps going, right? You gotta be in drawdown for what? Or you can get a nice tight stop right here. Right off this 13, right off this high, boom, boom, right? I just hate that game, man. It's just not my style. Hate it. Because this thing now could give you like 5 candles in a row and you just got to sit there and draw down. Even though, like, even if this works for you right now, this is like telling you, oh fuck, that's good, let's keep doing that. Like, nah man, fuck that. Fuck that game. You're gonna cut it at the retest? Why? Is this retest not good? This retest is money, dude. Why would you not get long there? Unless you are trying to get long, but I think that's pretty sick long coming up right here. EMA starting to look really good. I'm doing micros. Yeah, no, me too. Okay, so 15 closed. 15 closed mega bullish. So definitely looking to go long here. 100%. Make it clean. Let's make it clean here. Come on, baby. Give us a nice retest. Love the 15. 15 is perfect. Like, look at the wick right off previous day high. Big body close over the gray box over high day. So that's all I need to see. Totally worth the risk. Stop below that gray box. So I'll look to get a starter in, and then I'll look to add. So I want this bad boy right here. Alright, let's see. It's coming in slowly, which I like. Nice and slow. I gotta adjust my game a bit, man, with my stops. It's weird too, because every time I give it more room, I get fucking bit. Every time I don't give it room, I get bit. So like, what's the better approach here, you know? Nice, good job getting out, dude. Get out of that shit. Even if it tanks right now, that's like such a bad habit. Get out of that shit. I really gotta fix my approach, because it's like, I don't know, should I have waited for a close, you know? Should I have waited to see what happens at this 48? This thing is gonna like bug me all day, this stop out right here. Okay, so nice controlled retest. This is looking good. So I want to see a tap of that 13 and a spring just like here. Damn, it's not gonna do it, eh? Fuck me. You're lucky you got out, man. Look at that shit. Alright, I'm gonna look to get in a starter here.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm in. I'm gonna be risking that 13.
Order filled.
No, I'm not. I thought I was in. Let me open up my broker. Thought I was in. Come on. What's happening here? Q. Options, here we go. Alright, I'm looking to go long here. I tried to go long. Not yet. See, watching this. Okay, I'm in. Okay, I got in at 78 positions. So I'm looking to add if I can get like an actual tap of this 13, but I don't think I'll get it. I don't think I'm going to get it. So I'm going to de-risk at the pop and then maybe come back in at the next 13. See how it goes. I'm on the options right now though. Filled at 78. 78. I'm up 15% so far. Let's see if I can get this thing moving a little bit. We got a lot of room here. Let's see. See if we can get a nice pop. Nice move. Want a little bit more. I want a little bit more. Let's go. I want a little speed up. You're out half. Nice. I'm not taking shit off until somewhere around here. I want to actually hold for a move here. I'm up like 27% right now on options. About 27%. So I want to get at least like 35-40%. Try to hit this target or close to. I'm going to add more right here if we get it before I get to de-risk out. Not adding yet, no. I'm still in just my 3 contracts here, and I'm looking to add my another 3 contracts potentially. If I get this 13 dip, I'll add more. For now, I'm just holding what I got. I'm pretty much a little bit in the green, but pretty much break even right around here. So back to break even. I was up 30%. Maybe I should have de-risked a little bit, but I don't know, man. I'm tired of these little quick scalps. I want to get real moves going, you know? Fucking tired of little scalps. But it's been biting me today. It bit me twice. Let's see. I like the price action so far, so we'll see. I want to get in right at that 13. I want to get a tap and a surge off, because then, like, it's funny, man, with options, you get a tap with a 13 and a surge off, you get a quick 30-40%. See what happens. Okay, here it is. Let's see if it bounces off. Wow, look at that. Wild, man. Wild, to say the least, man. This is crazy, dude. What kind of follow through is that? Down like 35% on these contracts? We'll see. I'm still in. So I'm looking to add some more if we can reclaim here. See if we can do it. Okay, I'm adding some more right there. So nice pump off that 13. Back in the green on this. So stop's going to be below this. 1.5. So breaking that flag too, so that's good. volume coming in like crazy. Look at that volume coming in. So not the candle I want to see, man. Not the candle I want to see. Just a nasty topping tail. That does not look good, if I'm honest. Let's see if we can do it. Like, tempted to add, but like, looking to add here, maybe. But no, I'm not gonna add. Fuck that. Look at these gross wicks, man. Not looking great. Those wicks do not look good, and yeah, instant stuffs. Just giving it a second. See if we can hold. That'd be sweet. That'd be a dope hold, but not confident in this hold at all. Like, I would add if these candles were doing the opposite with wicks on the lower side, I would add, but this is like not giving me confidence to add. And then we just close back underneath, so I don't know. Not great. Like, does it need to retest this gray box? Or what? Spy's going. Spy's moving, so might be able to help Q here. Spy's surging off that 13 EMA. Look at Spy. Spy going, so hopefully that helps Q here. So far not. Volume coming in again. I'm like tempted to add, but like not until we get a curl at least. It's just lacking that push, that strength. It's just not. It just looks like it's resting right now. You still in, bro? Like, it looks fine for now, but upper wicks not so much, closing back underneath the 13 not so much, but it's just flagging here. This does look like a potential ad spot. I just don't want to put too much on there. I would rather almost just buy out this gray box if we get it. See, the problem with me with options is this theta is chewing away at my zero day expiration contracts here. Still watching it. I'm not gonna get out before this gray box. I'm not doing that. Ain't no way. So, potential ad spot for me. You already added? Waiting just a little bit for me. I want to get close to my risk. I already did an ad like around here, so I don't want to add again too soon. So I'm in 5 contracts right now, and I'm looking to get in at least 2 or 3 more. But off this 48. Because looking back, look at this 48, 48, 48. So, kind of eyeing that. I'm gonna use the washroom. I'll be right back. There's that flag break. I didn't get another ad. I wanted it right here, but let's see. I'm not gonna add as much as I want to right here. I'm not gonna add. No, I'm lying. I'm gonna add one or two more here. I'm gonna add 2 more contracts right there on that flag break. Good stuff. I added a little bit more there. So high a day, I'm going to take off a couple. Okay, flip green on that now. I have flipped green on that. Let's see if we can get high a day here. De-risk a little bit. Late day slow. So slow right now. So damn slow. I got 0 day expirations too, so I need this thing to start moving quicker. Come on, man, let's get some movement. So damn slow. Painful. Painful. This late day trading, man, it's always like this. Like, that's why I don't even want to be here during this time. After like 11:30 Eastern, 11 a.m. Eastern, just trash. Look at this trash. You already out? Yeah, I'm still in for now. I feel you, man. I feel you. Not fun, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for that 48 and that gray zone and or my targets. Later, bro. Thanks for coming. Thank you, sir. I'll let you know. I shall let you know. If anybody's in here, say what's up. Say what's up. What are you guys in? I'm still in this queues. I'm gonna hold off. I'm waiting for this 48 tap to add, or this is my risk point or my target points. Back in. Oh my god, that was the quickest. That was the quickest comeback I've ever seen in my life. Record comeback. Alright, I'm out. Alright, I'm back in. These 2 minutes will get you. 2 minute chart will get you. Just hope it moves soon though, because my contracts are starting to wear out here. So I need this motherfucker to move. So I'm looking at the bounce at the 48. That's what I'm looking for here. Bounce at this 48 and this gray box. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. But I'm still looking at this bounce at this 48. I want to see a tap just like here. Here's a potential ad spot. Looking like we're getting a reaction right here. So I'm going to look to buy some. Maybe. Just watching it for a quick sec. Yeah, I'm going to add right there. Alright, so I added in right at that 48 EMA because that's going to be our third tap. We got our gray box. So I figure that's a good spot. It's a good spot for the ad. That's what I wanted from the beginning. So let's see. See if we can get that blast off. I'm gonna take off at least probably half at the high day. Cons are starting to move a little bit now. See if we get a blast off. Bro, you still here? Nice. Nice move, man. Flip green here for me. Flipping green now. I want high day though. Spy's got a new high day. So I want the same thing on Q's here. I want the high day. I want to hit the high day here. Nice. There's that move. Officially flip green. Good. A little bit more. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna take off half right there. Nice. Nice. Beautiful, man. Good move.
Thanks for listening to X People Studios. If you new, you know. Enjoy the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment below the vibe. Thanks, you know the time. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you next time. See you next time.
See if we can get a push past these highs here, or I'm gonna de-risk a little bit more if we reject this high.
See you next time.
I'll ride these runners break even.
See you next time. See you next time.
So great ad spot at that 48. Beautiful ad spot.
See you next time.
Nice. Contracts are moving now.
See you next time.
Contracts look to be moving to the upside, so waiting for a blast off here. See if we get that blast off right through the highs.
See you next time. See you next time. See you next time.
Nice. Cons are moving now. Cons are moving good. Right at these highs. Nice. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. Bang. Taking 2 more off right there. You're out. Nice, bro. Good job. I am riding 2 runners here for now. Man, what a great move though. What a great move. Killed it. Beautiful move, man. Let's see what happens here. My average on these. I love the read on the 48. That was a beautiful read right there on that 48. Yeah, thank God I didn't get scared off and close. I don't know, like originally this was always my risk. It wasn't the 13. It was the bigger picture on this gray box. I was not going to get faked out again. This was obviously clear risk today. So there's no way I was stopping out before that. And I knew just by looking at this 48, the respect that it had on the last 2 taps. So ad spot I knew, and then risk spot I knew. I wasn't gonna get out here. Fuck that. Not gonna do that again. But great trade, man. Great trade. Glad you got back in, dude. You were on your way out. So I'm still in. I'm gonna ride these runners for now. And let's see how it goes. Oh yeah, quickest back in I've ever seen in my life, dude. See you later, back in. Like, damn, son. See if this thing could run. I'm gonna stop out break even on this, but if it wants to run, I'm looking for my next target right here. $300 on 2 funded is nice, bro. Good job. Great work, dude. Great work. This was a beautiful trade, man. Love it. So I want to see 709.50. Looking for my next target at 709.50. Or I'll stop out the runner's break even. So I'm looking at these cons, and this 13 has to hold, or I'm going to get out the rest. So far, we're rejecting that high a day. But I'm not going to rush to get out just now. I want to wait and see how this 13 holds. And I'm going to release my runners if it doesn't work. Simple as that. Later, bro. Thanks for joining, man. It's always nice to have you here. Alright, watching this bounce point at the 13. So if this 13 doesn't hold, I'm out. Watching it right here. So risk point for me now on this runner, this 13 EMA, or ideally we hit my next target here at 709.50, right there. Nice, man, nice move. There it is, boys. So we got actually SPY hitting previous day high pretty quick here, so I'm looking to de-risk soon here. Waiting. Let's see if this thing wants to surge. We've got some room. We got a little bit of room on SPY. Let's go, Qs. Let's see if we can hit my next spot here. All right, let's see if this holds. So we got SPY right at PDH, and it's looking like it's rejecting, so I'm gonna get out pretty quick here. I got my finger on the trigger. Man, that's my longest stream I've ever done, I think. Boys and girls. My longest stream I've ever done. Hello. Okay, still watching this, but this is just becoming really slow. But I still think it could go, man. Could go. Looking like it wants to. Nice wick. Sure looks like it's going to keep going. I know SPY's at previous day high, but Q looks really healthy. SPY's right at previous day high here. See some new highs. Come on, Q. Let's go. There you go. SPY's moving. Q's moving. There we go. Nice. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. SPY right at previous day high here. So I gotta be aware of that. Nice. Volume looks like it's coming in again. That's good. Beautiful, man. There it is. Let's go. Let's go. Nice, man. Cons are moving really nice here. Beautiful, man. Cons are moving really nice. 709.50 is kind of my next spot. trail a little bit tighter. Nice. So we got SPY right at previous day high. But man, if this thing goes and does not reject, Q will launch. So kind of watching for a little bit of a short trap here. Watching for a little bit of a short trap because I know there's people that are wanting to short this. But I'm telling you, if this thing breaks, it's going to moon the Qs. It's going to hit my next target. Watching SPY more than I'm watching Q right now. Since they move in tandem, I'm watching what SPY does at this previous day high. See what happens here, man, because I know a lot of people are probably shorting this right now. And if I was short, I would not be feeling good about this. This is not what you want to see if you're short at all. You don't want to see this kind of close into this. You want to see an upper wick. And the fact that it's not upper wicking, it's not that great for shorts. I'm telling you, it's not that great for shorts. So if we start closing above this, I think we get another couple candles up that is going to hit my next target on Qs here. So kind of watching that here. Let's see what it does. If SPY goes, Q gonna launch. Watch. If SPY fails, Q fails. But if I'm short, I don't want to be seeing this. I'll tell you that. There we go. Starting to pump. So I'm not getting out just yet because SPY, like, look at the strength into PDH. That is not causing me to get out. That's causing me to stay in. Although Q is sort of hovering around this 13 EMA, it's kind of causing me to have more conviction that this thing is just going to go because of what SPY is doing. So SPY luring people with this little topping tail? Very well could be. SPY's still flirting with that PDH, so I'm waiting. I'm waiting for a second here. Flagging above that 13. So if we can get a close above this PDH, I think Q will launch. I think Q will launch if we get a close outside his PDH. So SPY to me looks strong. The way it's closing near that PDH level like that, I think that's strength. Look at the body closes. I feel like this thing goes. So it's flagging at PDH. There's that pop. There's that pop. Let's see if Spy can do it too. Either way, they bring each other up. I think this PDH is gonna snap, to be honest with you. Look how healthy this PDH bull flag is. Look at this health. Look at the health on this thing. Look at that cues, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Nice flag. Beautiful, man. Hey, go. Alright, I'm still on this bad boy here. Alright, so the way I'm going to manage this position now is I'm just going to stop out probably below this point here. We'll see. But I'm watching the SPY previous day high. As long as we stay around this zone, I'm gonna stay in. But if we start breaking down, I'll get out. If you're still on, thanks for watching, man. I appreciate it. And I'll be back on in the morning. Alright, peace and love.